Happy birthday.
And guys, papunta na po kami sa
Hotel, sa room.
condo.
Condo.
Okay, condo room namin at magpapahinga na kami. Yun.
Tomorrow is not there.
Yes, because tomorrow is another day.
So we're going to
And
get fresh from the sea.
And dito na po nagtatapos guys ang ating video for today. Ito po ang aming day 1 here sa Manila. And bukas guys, abangan nyo po yung day 2. And again guys, Bass Velocity X, peace out. Sana all.